Hi. I just got back home from South Carolina and I've got to unpack and I've got to clean my house up. So I was thinking today we can do like a clean with me video because I have a reason to unpack and clean today. I'm gonna start in my bedroom and unpack and we're gonna work our way to the bathroom last. I hate cleaning the bathroom, so I'm not doing that shit first. Oh, yeah, okay, it's working. So that shit wasn't working for a minute. So I got a question. Like, I don't know if this is like a normal thing, but do you guys make like, I guess you call it like clean water for your rags? Like you put a little bleach in it, you put a little dish detergent in it, and basically you essentially clean the rags. Like I do that, and then I clean my counter. Like if you do dish water for your rags to clean them, let me know like what you use, because I just be using bleach, and I use bleach to clean my whole house. Like maybe in the bathroom I have a little bit of stuff, but other than that, this house about to smell like bleach. This house about to smell like, sorry if this is in my last cleaning video, this is my cleaning hoodie. Like, do y'all got cleaning clothes? I feel like I'm doing a lot, putting y'all on the spot, but this right here, yeah, you know, they done been bleached down. They done been bleached up. Nah, guys, I'm running low on this right here. This, if you got stainless steel, these wipes from Target, this is not a sponsor. I'm too small for a sponsor, but I've been using these since I moved here, and this is my last two, and I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Oh shit, I got 3. Hold on, hold up. I'm sweating, boy. Alright. We gotta tackle this living room. We gotta tackle this living room. We go to tackle the living room. I don't want to do it. I don't want to clean the bathroom. I promise I'm not nasty. I promise. But I do not want to clean the bathroom. Like I can do the counters, I'll mop, I'll do the toilet, everything. But that dang on shower, bro, it's like, I don't know. It's like cleaning the shower is like, I don't even know. Like, it's like the worst thing on the planet. And we about to sadly do that next. So I'm just gonna clean the shower and be like, I'm not cleaning the tub right now. Yeah, I think that'll work. Let's see if that works. I don't even know why I'm sticking up my middle finger. I was with my brother all weekend, and my brother is like newly 13. And I think he's going through this period in life where he just has to curse at me every time he see me. I don't know if y'all go through that. Yeah, like I was, sorry I'm talking about this. Like I'm in the bathroom and he was literally doing this when I went to the bathroom. Like I'll go to the bathroom and this nigga just sitting there like, bitch. I'm like, bro, you probably just learned how to curse, and you sitting there, bitch ass nigga. Like, bruh, Alexa, play lo-fi music.
Lo-fi beats from Spotify.
I'm literally beat right now. I'm tired, but we got one more thing to go. I got a mop. I don't think you guys are gonna see like the end results of me putting my bed together because I want to drop this tonight. So yeah, I go by these like Glade scents, and I recently just started using these because the ones at Bath and Body is just so expensive. Like, yo, you get like 5 for $25. You gotta catch them on the sale. So yeah, so my friend was like, bro, you need to get Glade. And for a while I was like, nah, that's that broke boy thing. Like Glade, like I'm a Bath and Body Works guy. But yeah, I got this little Glade one, and yeah, shit, I be using the hell out of these. Like, y'all better go get y'all one of these. Yeah, that's a good one. My mom was like, you gotta get these ones, boy. Like, I be having these all around the house. Then I was in the store and she on speaker and she talking about, how my house smell when you first walked in? I'm like, ma, I don't know. Like, literally, I just walked in the house. And if you really like this video, this type of video, just chilling with me and cleaning, like, let me know, because I can do one of these once a week. I clean every day now. I might not clean that bathroom. Join the army, or I don't know what to call this, but just join this. Like, join. Please. Join. I'll see y'all in the next video.